I didn't say it.
Oh, you can't say it? Oh, come on, say it.
No, I didn't.
Do it.
No.
Say good morning, everyone. Come on, you can do it.
No, I didn't.
Why can't you say it? Okay, here, do you want to do it with mommy?
I know that.
Okay, how about you do it with mommy? Okay, hold the camera.
Okay.
Hold the camera. And then make sure you can see your face. Say, good morning, everyone.
I'm winning, everyone. I done did it.
You did it.
And then
Good morning, you guys. What's happening? So we are up and hanging out this morning. As you can see, my makeup is all over my face. I was so tired last night I didn't take my makeup off. But Jax, what have we been doing all day?
I watched.
Whoa! What movie did we watch?
The.
What was it about?
About the elephants and monkeys.
Elephants and monkeys. We watched some documentary called Born to be Wild. And it was about rehabilitating orphaned elephants and orangutans. And he loved it so much that now we're going to watch a documentary on polar bears. But what did you tell mommy that we needed to do before we could watch the polar bear movie? What did you need? He said, he comes up to me and he says, Mommy, I need a little snack. So we're gonna get a snack, huh? All right, snack number 1, fruit snacks. Second snack, chocolate graham cracker. Third snack, applesauce. Are you excited to go watch your movie?
Yeah.
All right, let's go! Let's go!
When it's not me, these fierce rivals.
What did we just do for Daddy? What did we do?
I've been up with him.
You cleaned up the whole house for him, huh?
Yeah.
Did you make the house clean?
Yeah.
You're such a big helper. Are you excited to surprise him with a clean house?
Yeah.
Yeah? Jax is really excited to tell Kurt about his surprise for him. He's got to go get the mail first and then he'll come up, okay? Okay, now tell him. Tell him again, he didn't hear you.
I made the house for you.
I cleaned the house for you.
Buddy.
He did all the cleaning up all by himself.
Thank you, buddy.
Huh, Jax? Look, you dropped one right by Mommy's toes. Fruit snacks! Jax is learning a new trick with Daddy.
Sit on my foot.
Sit on it. Sit down.
Oh,
Sit down.
Your legs are on my foot.
Wrap your legs. There you go.
Hold on,
Sit down right there.
hug my leg.
And then wrap your arms around
Hug
his
it.
leg.
Hug it
Tight.
tight. Hold
Hug
on.
his leg tight.
No, hold on.
Hug it. There you go. Like that. Really tight. Whoa! Oh my
You
goodness.
gotta sit on it.
Hold on. Hold on tight. Hug his leg. Yeah.
Hold it tight.
That's fun, huh? Whoa.
Funny story though. I made a major fail. So Jax or us, I don't know which one it was, lost our Apple TV remote. And so I ordered a new one online. But the issue was I couldn't get it to hook up to the Apple TV, and the Apple TV wouldn't turn on, and I was looking up like things online, like message boards, trying to figure out how to work it. And I was emailing like Nelson and Tyson from Water's Wife and like trying to figure out how to get it to work. And there was a pretty easy fix. What was it?
It wasn't plugged in, you guys.
It wasn't plugged in. Like 3 weeks of working, and I like, I wonder if it's plugged in. I'm stupid. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Is it back? Oh.
Owie!
Owie. Owie.
It's gonna get...
Owie.
Alright, Jack's learned a trick with it. Okay, ready, set, go. Go! Gun it! Woo! Do it again. Oh, you're gonna do it backwards this time. Okay, smarty pants. His face is the best part. Yeah! Good job!
They're having a pillow fight all of a sudden. Don't you dare throw it at mommy.
Throw it at mommy.
Shaileen just drilled me in the face. You're a stinker butt. He's good at ducking. You gotta fake it next time, Shay, so he stands back up.
Uh-oh, where'd the pillow go? Oh my goodness, you kidding me?
I love these guys. We've had a really chill night, right?
Yes.
Yeah, just like sitting here all night. Like the last like 2 days at work, we've had a lot of changes and like a lot of stressful changes. So it's like messed with me like physically, like where I'm like physically like tired the last couple days, and I'm ready for just a little bit more like stability and like just no changes. Change is always. I know. Change is always good because you need, for you to grow, you have to change, but change is sometimes harder when it first happens. So it's just, it's a lot all at once. So.
Where did that go?
Boom!
Oh.
Oh my gosh! I can't believe he's not freaking out for how hard I'm drilling him. Oh.
We're gonna get Jax to bed here in a few minutes and then relax.
It's like an octopus. That was not good enough. I need a big fat squishy squishy one. Big fat squishy squishy. Ow.
Don't ask why pants and underwear are on her head.
I am a cool mom, that's why I have underwear on my head.
I did get a pretty freaking funny picture of Shaileen like pretending to yell at Jax with the pants and underwear on her head.
Oh, that was the best
I posted
hug.
on Instagram.
Oh
It was
my gosh,
freaking
your
funny.
best hug ever in the whole wide world. Okay, I love you. In the whole wide world.
Whole wide wheel.
Good night.
So we're gonna go ahead and end the vlog right here. Oh, Mommy, turn the light. No, you can't get in. She left. She can't be in the end of the vlog.
Okay, fine.
Just kidding. Get in there.
Good night.
So we're gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you guys again. See you guys again when?
Mom,
Say love you guys.
we'll dice.
Peace.
Peace out.
Ready, go.
Somebody's not very happy with us. He's pissed.
Hold me. Hold me.
It's gonna be fun. Whee!
Because you farted.
Our little boy's becoming a gangster.
Gangsta Jax!
Wedgie Jax.
And he just farted on me. He reeks like poo-poo face now.